You'd better be ready for the dark days you're coming for. You'd better be ready for the dark days you're coming for, yeah. If you fail, if you fall, what's gonna happen to your people? So be ready for the dark days you're coming for, yeah. Don't wait for us. Don't wait for us to be gone.
So, as you can probably tell from the title, this video is about how I bought this camera with Bitcoin. So, a while ago I've discovered that my 4 or 5-year-old computer could mine cryptocurrency. Not Bitcoin, but something else. I actually don't remember what right now, because I haven't done it in a while. But anyways, I was able to mine some cryptocurrency and then convert that over to Bitcoin, and then the Bitcoin I was able to transfer into Henry's gift cards, which Henry's is a camera store in Ontario and possibly elsewhere in Canada. It's a Canadian camera company, and they sold me this used Lumix GF1, not including the lens, but it's a micro four thirds camera. I don't know how many megapixels it is. It's like somewhere between 12 and 16 megapixels. It's actually not that bad. It doesn't have a tilty flippy screen like my old OMD EM5, which broke a couple of years ago, and I've been getting a whole bunch of used cameras as replacements and not really replacing it with a brand new camera, which this isn't either, but I just had all these lenses for micro four thirds, which is what this takes, and no camera for them. So I decided to get this cheap $99 camera so I could just have lenses for it. And the autofocus on this is actually not bad. So that is not included on there. I'm losing my voice already. I've only been talking for like 5 minutes. So yeah, this camera also has a electronic viewfinder, which is this bitty on the top, and this one does not. It only has the LCD screen on the back. It has pop-up flash. This one doesn't. Yeah, can take video, but only 720p, which sucks. This was able to do 1080, but only at 30 FPS. When this originally broke, I thought, okay, I can just get it repaired. But then apparently the repair costs were pretty much $200 to $300, which I could get a new used one of these for, but it was already like 3 or 4 years old, and I kind of wanted something newer. So in the interim, I got this camera, which I'm shooting on right now, which is the Canon T2i. Seems pretty good, but video quality is not that great, which is why I'm not sure if this take is going to work or not. I also bought this Nikon D3300, which is a lot better for video. It does 60 FPS, 1080p, so I can do some slow-mo with that. Still losing my voice. Let's see. Okay. So, let's do some B-roll of this camera, and then we can figure out something else. I'm not really sure what I'm doing in this video. I just wanted to have some reason to do a video and post it to YouTube, because I haven't posted for like months. Yeah, so run the B-roll.